The Clarke CCS12B 12-inch or 315mm contractor table saw with a sliding carriage offers accurate wood cutting for builders, contractors, tradesmen and DIY enthusiasts, in addition to general workshop use. This is a sturdy and powerful saw with the body manufactured from durable steel with a tough, powder-coated finish and is fitted with wheels for ease of movement. Standing 860mm high, the contractor table saw includes an 800 by 400mm extending table for supporting longer planks and larger timber sheets, increasing the working area to a huge 1600 by 550mm. The extension table and guide can be fitted to either side of the saw table or the front or the rear, depending on your application, allowing support for cross, rip and mitre cutting. The supplied push stick should always be used when ripping narrow pieces. Bevel cuts are also made using the parallel fence, with the blade tilting up to 45 degrees. The CCS12B features a sliding carriage, which can be rotated up to 60 degrees, and the adjustable mitre fence also features a folding stop block to aid repetitive cuts. The machine is fitted with a large dust extraction port, which extracts from both above and below the blade. The Clarke CWVE1 vacuum extractor is an ideal accessory for your CCS12B table saw and is available from your local Clarke stockist. The blade height is simply adjusted, and the CCS12B is supplied with a long-life 315mm TCT blade. A wide range of replacement blades are available from your local Clarke stockist. The maximum depth of cut is 83mm at 90 degrees. For safety, the saw is fitted with full blade safety guarding, along with a no-volt release switch. With a powerful and quiet 2000-watt 230-volt induction motor and a no-load speed of 2,800 RPM, the Clarke CCS12B 12-inch or 315mm contractor sliding carriage table saw offers fantastic value for money and will give you many years of great service.